always felt that peyote cuffs were a little bit unfinished due to the little staggered top here. So I came up with a really cute way to finish them. It's made with mini pony beads and faceted mini beads. So it's 3 mini pony beads and 2 faceted beads, and it gives you this really, really cute finish. I like to call it candy lace because it kind of has like a little lacy scalloped edge on it. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this. It's pretty. You will need elastic stretch cord, scissors, mini pony beads and mini faceted beads, and a candy cuff that you would like to finish. If you need to find any of these materials, you can see them in the Amazon link below. It is an affiliates link, but it'll give you an idea of what kind of brands to look for. So this is a cuff that I already started. You can see it's a little bat, and you can see on the tops here, I already finished one side. So we're gonna flip it over. If you don't know how to make a candy cuff, I'll link a video tutorial in the cards. If you've already finished your cuff and still have the string attached, that's great. If it's one that you've already finished, I'll show you how to add on more string. So first things that we're gonna do is you're just gonna take your cuff, you're gonna take your string and kind of go underneath between this first and second one here. So your string should come out the side like that, and then we're just gonna tie a granny knot. So make a loop, put a tail in it, pull it tight, and you do that about 2 to 3 times. And then you're gonna take your scissors and cut off the short tail. Now we're gonna take our string and we're gonna add on our beads. So you'll have 1 mini pony bead, 1 faceted bead, 1 mini pony bead, 1 faceted bead, and 1 mini pony bead. So altogether 5 beads. So we're coming out of this bead right here. What we wanna do is we wanna skip the bead in the middle, go to the next one. So we're coming out of this string, skip one, go into the next. So you just put your string here and pull it tight. So it'll look like this, and we're gonna add on our next round of beads. In the same pattern, the 3 mini pony beads with the 2 faceted beads. We're gonna skip the bead in the middle and go to the next bead. And it looks like this. And you're gonna do this all the way around until you finish. So once you get to the end, what do? We go into the bead that we were originally coming out of. You might need to separate it a little bit. You pull it, and then we're gonna tie a knot. So where we go is underneath our first little arch here. Just slip the string through there. It gives you a loop. You're gonna put the tail through the loop, and then we're just gonna pull it tight. And we do that 2 or 3 different times. Okay, and then what I like to do is I'll kind of fold it in half and separate out this bead so I can pull the tail back through. So what this does is it hides that knot, so it's not kind of making a big mess, like that. And then I take my scissors and I cut off the tail. Congratulations, you've successfully made your first cuff with candy lace. If you guys like this tutorial, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos kind of sporadically. I've been posting a little bit more on TikTok and Instagram, so you guys can always follow those if you'd like. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below, and check out the links in the description if you're looking for ideas, candy inspiration, materials, looking to connect to the community, all those different things. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!